In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your chat history in Grok AI. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to look, what to tap, and how to manage your previous conversations with confidence. Start by opening Grok AI. You can head to grok.com in your browser or open the Grok app on your device. Before you go any further, double check that you're signed into the correct X account. Your chat history is tied to your login, so if you use more than one account, being on the right one is essential for seeing the conversations you expect. If you're on desktop, look to the left-hand sidebar. That's where you'll find navigation for your chats. On mobile, tap the menu icon to open your chat options. The layout may vary slightly depending on updates, but the core sections are the same across devices. In the navigation, look for a section labeled Chats or History. This is your archive of previous conversations. You'll see a list of threads, each typically named by your first message or the main topic you started with. That naming makes it easier to spot the conversation you want at a glance. By the way, if you need quick access, there's a link to the website and the download link for the app at the very top of the description. Use that to jump straight into Grok on whichever device you prefer. To reopen any conversation, just click or tap it. The thread will load, and you can read back through the exchange and continue right where you left off. If you've had a lot of chats, use the search bar, if it's available, to type in a keyword or phrase you remember from the conversation. This helps you filter results fast and zero in on the right thread. Without endless scrolling, once a chat is open, you can keep the conversation going, copy responses you want to save elsewhere, delete chats you no longer need, or rename them if that option exists in your version. Renaming is especially handy for organizing topics and making future searches easier. If you don't see past chats, don't worry. First, confirm you're logged into the correct account. Then check your settings to make sure chat history is enabled. After that, refresh the page on desktop or restart the app on mobile to reload your data. That's how you find and manage your chat history in Grok AI. Thanks for watching.